In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Word document to OneNote. First, open OneNote on your Windows computer. You will see a familiar layout with your notebooks on the side and the main editing area in the center. This is where you can add and organize your notes. To add a Word document, you need to navigate to the specific page where you want to place it. This is important because it helps keep your notes organized and ensures that everything you need is in one place. Take a moment to find the right page, and once you are ready, we can move on to the next step. Now look at the top of the OneNote window and locate the Insert tab. This tab is crucial because it provides all the options for adding different types of content to your notes. When you click on this tab, you will see various icons and options that allow you to enhance your notes with images, files, and more. Seeing these options can be quite helpful as they open up a variety of ways to enrich your OneNote experience. Next, you will need to choose how you want to add the Word document. You have two options: File Attachment or File Printout. Selecting File Attachment means you will insert the document as an attachment that you can open and edit later in Microsoft Word. On the other hand, choosing File Printout will insert a printout of each page of the Word document directly into your notes. This printout will be an image format, allowing you to annotate it, but you won't be able to edit the printout itself. Understanding these options is essential because it allows you to choose the method that best fits your needs. Once you have made your choice, it's time to browse for the Word document you want to add. Click on the appropriate option and a file dialog will open. This is where you can navigate through your files to find the document you wish to insert. It's helpful to know where your files are located, so take a moment to navigate through your folders. When you find the correct document, click on it to select it. Now, with your Word document selected, click the Insert button. This action will add your document to the OneNote page you are currently viewing. If you chose File Attachment, you will see a clickable link appear on your page. If you chose File Printout, the pages will be displayed as images. This makes it easy for you to review the content without having to open another application. You will see a confirmation that your document has been successfully added, which is reassuring. It's important to note that if you inserted the document as a file attachment, you can double-click on it to open and edit it directly in Microsoft Word. This feature is beneficial because it allows you to keep your document editable while also having it accessible within OneNote. Conversely, if you inserted it as a file printout, remember that you cannot edit the printout directly. Instead, if you need to make changes, you'll have to edit the original Word document and then refresh the printout in OneNote. This distinction is key as it affects how you interact with the content you added. To wrap up, if you plan to annotate a Word document while keeping it editable, inserting it as a file attachment is your best option. This method ensures you can make changes as needed without losing access to the original content. Now you know how to effectively add a Word document to OneNote, enhancing your note-taking experience. Enjoy using OneNote to keep your documents organized and accessible.